There's a free AI tool right now that's replacing writers, designers, editors, even entire startup teams. Most people have never heard of it, but the ones who have, they're already using it to make hundreds, sometimes thousands, per week quietly. If you're not paying attention, you're going to get left behind. It's called Insert Tool. It's completely free, and in under 10 seconds, it can do what used to take you an entire afternoon. Watch this. One prompt, instant blog post, instant YouTube script, instant video, instant voiceover. Done. Think about it. A freelance writer charges $100 per blog. A designer charges $50 per thumbnail. An editor, $200 for a 5-minute video. Now imagine replacing all of them with one tool that costs $0. You don't need experience, just ideas. And this tool does the rest. Start a faceless YouTube channel, launch an AI blog in 1 weekend, sell content creation as a service without doing the hard work. People on Reddit and Discord are quietly using this to scale freelance gigs, build YouTube empires, even write entire books. But here's what nobody's telling you. This tool's results are getting too good. Companies are already laying off entire teams and replacing them with one person and an AI license. In the next 6 months, tools like this could go premium or disappear completely. And if you're still learning how to write a resume, you might already be behind. So here's what you do next. Try it for free. Use it. Experiment. Even if you don't build a business, just learning how to use this will put you ahead of 90% of people. I've dropped a full walkthrough plus starter prompt in the description. This isn't the future. It's happening now. And the scariest part? It doesn't need to replace you if you learn how to use it first. Subscribe for weekly AI tools and faceless content.